Okay, so I want to talk a little bit about the Sense app. And just really quickly, when you click the home button, it shows you these bubbles and it shows you what everything you're using right now. Now, right here where it says other, I suspect that's my dryer. My dryer is on right now. Let's look at my AC though. That's a big thing here. Oh, my water heater just kicked on. You saw that. I don't like when the water heater is running at the same time as my air conditioner. So I could shut my AC off, and I think I'll do that. Let me pause this. I'm going to shut my AC off. Okay, so I got the AC off, but the front left burner on the stove is on right now. Somebody's cooking. My water heater is on. That's fine. I suspect that this part that says other is my dryer because my dryer is on right now, like I said. But let's break things down. If you go over here to trends, you'll see this usage on the left and the upper side. I'm going to click on the usage. Now, I want to look at the day, so I'm going to click day up at the top left. I'm going to slide over to yesterday. I'm going to click total. So you can see my total in the middle of the screen was 60 watts, just about 59.8. What I like is I can look at my AC only and get a graphical representation of what my AC used. Now you'll notice that just past the noon in the graph screen, see two gray bars. That's because I pre-cool my house to 75 at 3 o'clock when my rates go up. My rates go up between 3 o'clock and 8 p.m. So I pre-cool my house to 75, and then I set it to 82 during those hours. At 8 o'clock, it goes back on. So you can see that longer line after the three shorter lines. That's 8 o'clock. That's when things kind of pick up. And you see it's the longest line of the day. You can click on any of the items that have been discovered. For instance, my water heater. You can see my water heater is on a timer, so it's not showing any usage between those 3 and 8 p.m. hours. Again, back to the total. The 3 to 8 p.m. hours start with those two small green bars right after noon. You can break it down by the week. You see your weekly usage, your monthly usage. Also, it knows my bill date when my meter gets read. So this is what I've used since my bill has been read, a total of 560 kilowatt hours. My AC is 293 of those, so just about half. You can break down further. There's other things that you can do, like let's click on devices. Let's look at the AC. So here's my estimated year, but this is the usage. I want to go to usage here. And let's look at the day. So this is what my AC's been on today. We can look at yesterday. You see those gaps. Every weekday I'm going to have those same gaps where my AC doesn't get used. Look at this. Yesterday it was on 60 times, a total of 11 hours. That's pretty crazy. Here's the power meter breakdown, the last 24 hours of what it used. You can actually click on that and zoom in on different hours, and it'll show you what was going on. Those spikes are when it first starts, the 5,051 watts. Then immediately it drops to, what is it, like 2,900 watts. So that's how you can take a look and use some of the data to figure out what your home's doing. All this can be exported through the web app to a CSV file. And then you can put that into Excel or Google Sheets and play with it however you want. I just wanted to quickly show you that. Let me know if you have any questions.